making guests feel welcome one home at a time.
We're going to take a banana and make a breakfast bowl. I had this at a restaurant. It came out so beautifully and perfectly done that I thought, I'm going to do this at home, and I did. Now there's just a little bit of carefulness here as you want to get your banana over to the bowl to cut it up in the bowl. So it doesn't do that. So you want it to be in pieces, bite-sized pieces. Some people's idea of a bite-sized piece is not your idea, but this is for you. So you make the bite size however you want to. So we've got this beautiful banana all cut up, ready to go. And then we're going to take some yogurt. Now I love the vanilla Greek yogurt. You use what you love. And I'm going to make kind of a base here by the banana. So I'm just going to make a nice opening base, spread it out a little bit because you're going to want to scoop this up as much as you can with your bites. And on top of that base, we're going to put a whole bunch of granola. Now I'm using a cinnamon oat granola. You can use whatever you want. This is 5 ingredients. You probably already have some of them in your pantry. So that's number 3. Number 4 is going to be blueberries. And I'm just going to scatter these about over the top. And then this was my favorite part, the honey. It is amazing what adding honey to just about any sweet dish will do. But they did it in such a way that it just kind of coated everything in this beautiful sweetness. It's very healthy. And I'm not sure they did this, but I'm going to do a little strawberry garnish on the side. And you know, you don't have to use blueberries. You could use strawberries. You could use blackberries, any berry of your choosing. I think blueberries go great with this breakfast. And just like that, you have a breakfast bowl. So you take your spoon, you get a little banana, you get a little bit of the yogurt, and you get your blueberry, the honey's on there, and in one bite, you have breakfast goodness in less than 5 minutes. For some reason, there's milk on the floor. We don't know why. It just, probably because I did it. I'm sure I did it. I'm sure I did it. And I'm back. I went, and I'm back. I stared right at the camera. That's how trained I am. Some people's idea of a bite-sized pizza is not pizza.
Come on over. Now go make someone feel special today.